Hey friends! Today for math, we are going to talk all about measuring. And measuring is very important for you to learn for when you get into math and into science. And so we are going to measure today. Let me see if I can open the bag. Friends, you should not open things with your teeth, just so you know it's not good. We're going to measure today with gummy bears as our measurement, okay? So let me turn my camera on and I'll show you what we're going to measure. All right, friends, we have our whiteboard here so that I can write down the measurements that everything is. Okay? So we have today to measure Miss Caitlin's TV remote, a marker, a book that we're going to read this afternoon, so make sure you tune in to read with us. We are going to measure a cup. We'll put that over there. And the very last thing we're going to measure is this. Do you know what this is? Oh, there's the word. It's a lemon. All right, friends, I want you to tell me which of these do you think is going to be the longest or the tallest? Okay. And which one do you think is going to be the smallest? All right, we'll find out. We're going to start with the remote. We're going to put it on the whiteboard. And when you measure something, you have to put them right next to each other. So we're going to start with the gummy bear. And when you line them up, you put them right on top of each other. See how they touch? That's how you make sure you get the very best measurement. Okay? So you line them up all the way to the tippy top of whatever it is that you're measuring. Oh, oops. All right, I think one more. All right, do you see how they line up perfectly? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The remote is 7 gummy bears long. 7, we'll write it there. And then Miss Caitlin will write remote so that I remember, so we know which one is the smallest, okay? All right, let's clear the board. The next one is the marker. So we'll put the marker down. And we'll start to line up our gummy bears again. 1. See, make them touch. 2, 3, 4. See how they're all touching? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. See how that's too tall? So we're going to call that 8.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll show you. A half of a gummy bear. This one is 8.5. 8.5 for the marker. All right. So the next one, we're going to do the book. And the book is really big, so we're going to take it off of the board. Are you ready? I'm going to do it on the book this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Make sure they touch. 8, 9, 10. Make it touch. 11, 12. Our book is 12 gummy bears tall. So we're going to write on here. I'm going to rewrite these numbers. We've got 7. We've got 8. We've got 12. We're not going to do half measurements, friends. That's too hard. All right. So 12 gummy bears is that book. All right, it's time to do the cup. So we're going to put them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our cup is 6 gummy bears tall. So we have 7, 8, 12. We've got something that's 6. And the very last thing that we're going to measure is the lemon. So we put it down so that it matches the bottom. 1, and then you make them touch. Oh, not like that. Touch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Our lemon is 5 gummy bears tall. All right, let's put the number 5. All right, friends, so we have the lemon that is 5 gummy bears tall. We have the cup that was 6 gummy bears tall. We had our book. I can't make that stand there. We're going to put that back there. Our book was 12 gummy bears. Our marker was 8. And the remote was 7. So which one was the biggest? Which number is the biggest? Good, number 12. Can you point to number 12? Good, the book was the biggest. And which one is the smallest? What is the smallest number? Good, number 5. Can you point to number 5? 5 looks like this. Where's the number 5? Good, number 5. The lemon was the smallest. All right, thanks for practicing measuring with me, friends.